Alright, some of you might experience this if you have these two 3-pin connectors and you try to connect the connector from the auto fog light harness to your factory. Try to push these in and they just won't go in. Now the problem is during the process somebody accidentally put in that rubber seal backwards. So the one on the left is the correct way. It's way down in there. The one on the right is actually just flipped upside down. So easy fix for this is getting a flathead screwdriver. This protective plastic piece right here, you'll just pop this out like so. That slides out, and then you'll see the red or orange seal there, and you'll just don't want to rip it, but you're just gonna kind of pry it up. And this was put in like that, and that's the wrong way. So I'm going to flip it around and put it in this way. This is the correct way. And you'll just take that flathead and just kind of push it down. Then push this back in, and it'll only go in one way. So if see, that's not the right way, so flip it around. So it looks like that edge there is on the back side here. Push that all the way in. When you push that in, that's also going to push that rubber seal, and once that's in there the correct way, it snaps in.